2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, automatic stability control, fog lamps, child safety locks, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.